My name is Marvin. I'm the founder of Phala Network, and Phala is an AI coprocessor. So our journey begins in 2019, and in the beginning, our original story is that we want to create off-chain compute cloud that provide verifiable proof to replace traditional Web3 backend and Amazon cloud. And this is where we start. So we begin to implement TE technologies with blockchains since 2020. And our network launched in 2021. We our tokenomics successfully launched in 2021. And because the fair launch, so basically we gathered the most powerful TE workers in the world. From then till today, on Phala Network, you can still find over 35K available TE servers provide verifiable compute. And since 2022, we begin to work more closer with developers, find the best use cases to use this TE block space. And we build a lot of functions, developer tools based on that. So today, there's a buzzword named coprocessor to describe what we mean then. But back then, nobody knows. So TE coprocessor is the major function Phala can provide. And in last year, we began to implement more AI toolings inside TE coprocessor. So this is basically our experience and journey. Okay, Phala is coprocessor, but the next question is, what is coprocessor? So related to CPU, GPU is coprocessor. So coprocessor means that there is another solution or extension to help the CPU to do the jobs that they're not very good at. So, for example, 20 years ago, GPU got more and more popular for PCs because video games is getting popular. We don't want just to have 500 pixel 2D video games. We want something like better, and that's why every computer implement GPU to enhance the virtualized experience for gamers. So that's where the beginning of coprocessor means in technology space. So the same story happened on blockchain again. So there's many jobs Ethereum or EVM virtual machine is not good at. For example, what's the most popular use case today? SocialFi, right? Social money, meme coins, pump fund, this kind of stuff. Fantasy top, friend hack, right? Consumer social apps, and what? And gaming for crypto, right? I can create a shooting game and implement tokenomics inside a shooting game. And what? AI, right? AI agents, AI models, monetize AIs. These are the three major use cases for this bull summer. And the thing is, you can't have that just with smart contract. You have to use a backend or stronger local client to run this or execute these programs. So this is where we stand. We provide coprocessor, connect with the blockchain you need, and to unlimited ideas, to unlimited unlimited innovations. So yeah, in last year and this year, there are nearly 5,000 contracts being connected and using Phala Network to connect with off-chain, and it's amazing. So there are three major jobs a coprocessor can help with on-chain smart contract. We can help smart contracts to connect any data they want, no matter it's omni-chains or single chains, or even internet data. We help them to scratch the data into off-chain security environment and compute. Compute means backend compute. So you can run a game. You can run a social file backend. You can also run some AI agents. And then we generated off-chain compute proofs to help your user to verify how this execution works in the off-chain environment. So this is what we do for Coprocessor. And of course, it's AI summer. Everybody is talking about AI. So in most of the current AI crypto use case, the real shit here is, let's use AI as interface, right, to enhance the back experience from blockchains. We need to use natural language, as command, as intent inputs to drive the executions on omni-chains. Siri, help me to bridge, token from Ethereum to Base. Siri, help me to make some money, right? Something like that. And it's always connected to the on-chain executions. In this perspective, we think these AI agents can't be executed in a centralized environment. You have to be able to verify what's going on in off-chain. For example, you create a smart AI agent for Uniswap, okay? And you play with it. You earn 10% today. You're really happy. And you deposit 10K into it. Tomorrow, it loses 5K. So in this perspective, you begin to question the integrity of this off-chain execution environment. So this is why exactly the AI platforms work for crypto need to use a security environment instead, or trust a party instead of run everything by themselves. Because when it's related with monetization, things get serious. So check out how the drama of the R job of ZK Sync. When things related with money, it's serious. Okay, TLDR. Today, Phala, we provide 3 solutions for TE coprocessor. The first one is what we call the AI agent contract. The second one is TEML. The third one is a model aggregator. Let's go first. So we talked research with many crypto AI builders. We think this is well-adopted developer-focused tool to help them to boost up more ideas with AI. And what exactly is an AI agent contract? It's Amazon Lambda, but it's a templated Lambda. It means that we provide a basic template for you to run the most popular AI services for crypto, such as LangChain, AutoGPT, ChatGPT, and other models connections. So you can implement the most popular models in your smart contract, and you can also connect this smart contract with some backend, with the models, with inference, with vector database. So a basic workflow is just you just need to deploy a contract in Phala, and we will upload the code into IPFS. You get a CID to verify how the code looks like. And we execute exactly the program as you wish in an off-chain environment and generated proof to your community members to show how it exactly runs. For example, like the input and output for your AI agent with ChatGPT, we can prove that. So this is first solution we provide for AI agent builders. It helps you to, we support any EVM chain you want. We provide serverless function based on templates, so you don't need to build from scratch. We provide trustless execution so that you don't need to, your community member don't need to trust you. They just need to trust our trust assumption. And we provide confidentiality. For example, AI agent, but the prompt is in secret. Something like that. Or for example, you can store you can storage your API key in secret. Okay, a live use case made by AI agent contract is here. We built it. It's called Agent World. It's a playground that you can convert any social account on X into AI agent. For example, if you want to convert Donald Trump or CZ, into AI, you can do it automatically. And there's a tokenomic for each AI agent with bounding curve on base chain. So basically, if you want to use chat with the AI agent with unlimited resources, you just need to buy a key, and the key smart contract is running on base. So I mean, we are not like consumer app builders. We build this playground to show how you can work with AI agent contract on Phala. It's pretty popular. Another thing is TEML. I know ZKML, trustless AI model training, but the most practical way we can see the next 2 years for crypto AI to implement serious AI models is through NVIDIA H100 or H200 TEs. So OpenAI is using TE. Anthropic is using TEs. The reason is that we can build verifiable proof to show like how the model is trained and operated from a trustless party. And NVIDIA just launched their TE system with both H100 and Blackwell for the next generation hardwares in February. And based on our current demo prototype, we already proved it can work. So the way Phala do this is that we have two parties. One party is GPU TE, one party is CPU TE. We have tons of CPU TEs. So CPU TE is verifier, and we already successfully launched Llama 3 in NVIDIA GPU, Llama 3 in NVIDIA H100 in the TE mode, and it can generate a prover to show how the Llama 3 been executed, and been not trained but operated. For example, input, output, it can print out some logs, and we use a CPU TE to directly, verify the prover generated by GPU TE. So the point here is, guys, if you want to verify something running inside Llama 3, just the GPU TE is not good enough. You need to build a systematic work, because in this chain of trust, any weakness point could make single point of failure of the trust chain. So it means that if anyone wants to provide verifiable compute for AI model rendering, you have to create a block space that implement H100, CPU, and blockchain endpoint, so that you can direct maybe using Ethereum attestation service on blockchain to verify what's happening for this Llama 3 model. So we are still working on that, and our next output will be a paper to show exactly the exercise data coming from this experience. And if you are interested, welcome to DIME. One last thing I'll go to wrap it up very fast is that we see another problem in AI space is that 80% of the LLM services providing by centralized models, but there are so many open source long tail models is unused. So we also have a product, it's a very simple product called RedPill. It's an API aggregator that aggregates a lot of AI models, which include ChatGPT, Anthropic, Llama 3, and for example, Suno or other open source models. We believe in the future that single LLM won't control all. It will be a blended model world. So, but it's a new product also based on Phala. If you are interested, come and find me and let's talk. It's overtime. Thank you for all. It's Marvin. Follow my Twitter, follow our accounts. And if you're interested to learn more about technical, visit docs.phala.network. Thank you.